Hey guys, Randy here with Randy's Repair and Improvements. Today we're out here in McCune, Kansas at Neosho Valley Feeders tinting another John Deere. This is an 8R 340 John Deere tractor. It has 340 horsepower. It has all the bells and whistles on it. It's a really neat piece of equipment. We're tinting it with Armalin's ceramic 35% on the two sides and the back glass. And then on the front, we're doing 50% ceramic. Also from Armalin. Check out armalinusa.com to get you a roll. If you are doing a piece of equipment, I really like to use Armalin. It comes with a lifetime warranty on their ceramic film and carbon. It has great performance numbers. It has great performance and it shrinks very well. Whenever I'm doing a piece of equipment, that's my go-to brand. I also use Scorpion, but I found it doesn't shrink as well. So if you're doing a piece of equipment, I'd recommend getting you a roll of Armalin window film, ceramic. What next? Yeah, let's get started. So on the bottom here, I'm going to do a splice piece. This small section here, we'll have to splice it in. I'll show you how I do that here in a little bit. Just how I do the splice piece on the bottom. Whenever you're working with a 36-inch roll, you have to put a splice on these because they're 60 inches tall. But you get a straight edge and a sharp knife. Always make sure it's new, or make sure you snap off a new tip so you got a nice sharp edge. Take the straight edge. And as you see, I overlap these pieces, and they're still a little damp, so I can pull it back, and it's not going to leave any adhesive. But we'll. What I wanted to show you is this. So we've finished that cut, and this is tricky sometimes.